guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be starting my second week of personal training. I mentioned in the very first video that I'm going to be filming these videos every Monday up until I have a personal trainer, which is going to be a while. I was really happy that you guys really enjoyed the first one, so this is starting my second week. I'm so excited, super pumped, and I'm just ready to see changes, you guys. If you guys are subscribed to me, you guys know that I'm also taking Herbalife supplements, or like, I don't know what you would call it, but I also take Herbalife. So I drink 2 shakes a day and my teas that have to do with Herbalife, and then I just eat like throughout the day. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's workout. If you guys are getting something from these videos, that is awesome. That is exactly what I want to do. I want to make you guys feel comfortable going to the gym for the first time, because I mentioned in the first one, I'll say it again, I was so scared to step into a gym because of my weight, how uncomfortable I was with myself, how self-conscious I am. I still am, but anybody can do it, you guys. The hardest part is starting. I swear, once you start doing it, it's only gonna get easier and it's gonna get better. So if you guys like want to hop onto the weight loss journey, then by all means go for it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment box and I'll try to help you guys as much as I can. So let's just go ahead and get right into the workout.
Outside my window, I try to see where my light goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of black hole in this house. Every person could be you though. Pretty guy with the halo, but who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you have fallen down. So I take my chances tonight. I gotta choose fight instead of flight. It's really amazing
pretty intense. It was leg day. We didn't really use much weights. It was mostly like my body weight, and I'm 236 pounds. A week ago, I have not weighed myself. I know most of you guys have been asking me how much more weight I have lost. I stopped weighing myself because I was so like, every day I would weigh myself, and that wasn't good for me because it's just not. So my big tip to you guys is do not weigh yourself every single day because the scale constantly changes. As of my very first workout that you guys saw last week, I was 236 pounds. I had already lost 15 from before I started. So it's getting real, you guys. I'm finally starting to see a little bit of a difference around my stomach area, or like a pretty big difference. Because now when I walk, like my arms don't like rub against the sides of my body, and before, like I used to a lot. I still have a double chin, it's still hanging around there, but I see changes in different areas of my body. So I know that this is working. I know I can do it. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention, I did skip Friday's workout, not because I wanted to, but because I hurt my back. I either pulled something or I don't know what happened, but I could not move after Wednesday's workout. Like, it was just too intense. So what I did was I got a roller. The one that I bought at Walmart is a really teeny tiny like thing that has 2 balls. I rolled out with that, and today I'm actually getting another one in the mail that I ordered off of Amazon, but that one's gonna be longer so that I can roll out my back, my arms, my legs, my shoulders, like any part of body that needs to be rolled. I will have that now, so I'm so excited about that. Also, BCAAs have helped me so much. So if you guys like struggle with soreness, or just, I don't know, I guess just the aftermath of going to the gym, BCAAs help so much, and I'm slowly learning everything, all thanks to my sister-in-law Wendy, because she is a big help with all of this. She has been guiding me towards the right direction. So I'm hoping that she starts up her YouTube channel again so that she can help you guys out also with like any little questions that have to do towards fitness. She does have a YouTube channel, but she stopped filming. It's been about a year since the last vlog that she uploaded, but I have told her time and again that she needs to start uploading, especially everything she knows about fitness. So I will leave her channel in the description box of this video, and also my trainer's Instagram. So if you guys have any questions, I say feel free to message her. I'm pretty sure she's such a sweetheart. I'm pretty sure she will be more than happy to help you guys, because that's what she does. Another thing that I've been lacking is eating. I don't think that I'm eating enough food. I do replace 2 of my meals, breakfast and dinner, with my Herbalife shakes, but after each workout I burn over 1,000 calories in each one, and after that I just feel so lightheaded, like my pressure goes down or something. So my water intake is good, I just feel like I need to eat more food. So don't worry, I talked to Wendy already. She told me like what I have to do and stuff. I also talked to Gabby about it, which is my trainer. So I'm okay, you guys. I survived. I'm starting my second week already. So I really hope you guys are enjoying these fat to fit, I was gonna say makeup videos, these fat to fit workout videos. I think that's about it though. So if you guys have any other video requests that you guys want me to do for you all, then just let me know so that I can do them, because I have gained subscribers, you guys, and I'm so excited. So thank you if you're someone who just recently subscribed. I am on this little fitness journey of mine. I would love if you subscribed, and I think that's it. So stick around, join the family, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.